It's January 11th. It's time to do something stupid. So, hopefully this comes in frame. Yeah. We're gonna do 11 jumping jacks and 11 sit-ups in the leg. So, oh my God, dude, that's a terrible idea. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My God, it's so wet. This is a terrible, terrible idea. Okay, 11 sit-ups. Oh God, I'm gonna hate this. Oh, it's so wet. 1, 2, 3. I'm so bad. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more. 11. All right, and we'll finish off with 11 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh God. Oh, that was terrible. All right. Okay. January 11th in the books. I am so wet and dirty. I gotta go shower.